37% of all ped visits are for ear infections. Antibiotics help 1 out of 8 kids with ear infections. That's an alarming stat right there. There's no research that shows that if you medicate, it gets better before letting it wait. You know this rule in my world? You get adjusted. As soon as something starts
In Europe
happening.
or in France, they don't treat ear infections with antibiotics. We'll give them like Tylenol.
Mm-hmm.
They never used it in the United States either. I had ear infections when I was little. We used a heating pad or a hot water bottle, and you were better in like 2 days.
Yep.
It was like having a cold, like because I got congested. And then when I got older, it got better because things,
Yep.
you know, you grow up or whatever. And but yeah, we never once. And we had 5 kids spread apart, and nobody went to the doctor for an earache ever.
Mm-hmm. Doesn't mean they don't have them. Like I tell people, I mean, my kids have had sore ears. Oh goodness, Callan had a ruptured eardrum that none of us knew was happening, but I've never medicated. I adjust them. I get a warm compress. You can do oil, garlic infused oil. It all depends on the ear. Don't take this and just start doing it just in case. But there's a ton of things you can do that it is not medication induced. 1 round of antibiotics kills your immune system for a year. 1 year. If we're not building it up. So we know the kids who once, I hear it all the time. Oh, Johnny got an ear infection when he was 6 months old, had him straight until he was 3 and grew out of them. Not true. First of all, they didn't grow out of them, but second of all, it's not because he kept having ear infections. It's because his immune system wasn't strong enough, so anytime that germ came in, it attacked, and then it reproduced. Versus, it's like germ and host. Your body's the host. Get this working better, so as soon as that germ comes in, it can't get through. Therefore, it can't reproduce. So, are medications overused in kids? Please say yes. Yeah. Please, please, please. The most important part is to figure out what the problem is and how we can fix the problem and not patch it. Because a kid that has ear infections more than likely had a traumatic birth. If they didn't have a traumatic birth, mom maybe wasn't the most healthy while baby was in utero. Ear infections, and then that's when the trickle effect happens. That's asthma, allergies, immune system, digestive system. All that is very normal. I talk about the difference between common and normal all the time. Common, normal. Kids being on antibiotics for ear infections, common or normal?
Common.
Common. Not normal, right? Shouldn't be normal. But is it becoming normal? Yeah. Women being medicated for depression, common, normal? Common. Still not normal though. So as soon as we know that it's not normal, we know that we need to get help. If you start thinking it's normal, that's when we're in trouble. And I see it all the time. 30 to 40-year-old women, mostly, will say, yeah, I have these migraines and headaches and depression, anxiety. Those are typically the ones. But my mom had it, my grandma had it, my sisters had it, and my aunts have it. So I just kind of expected when I get it, normal. Not normal. What happens is the difference between genetics and learned behaviors is that all you know is it for it to be normal when it happens to you. So when you see your mom on the couch, depressed, has headaches, misses 2 days of work every month, when that happens to that baby, call them babies, they could be 12, they could be, oh gosh, I see kids with headaches at 4 years old. That's normal. So therefore they're not thinking, oh, I need to figure out why this is happening to me, versus follow the treatment that mom did.